Hello YouTube, hello again, this is Hiker01 with another review of a Victorinox, of course, knife. Well, this is the Locksmith, Victorinox Locksmith, product code 0.8493.3, and this is a really price value for money piece, and I think it's just about right when it comes to size. I believe it's one of the knives that has the multi-tools, because this is not just a knife. This is a knife, but it's also a multi-tool. It has just about anything I personally need. So the locking blade, okay, it's the 3.5-inch locking blade, which, as you remember from the Sentinel Black, it locks first to the 90 degrees secure position, and then it folds back to its place. And the really great feature about this crate opener and big screwdriver is that it also locks at the 90-degree position, which gives a great grip for the one holding it. So you don't have to move your fingers away in order not to scratch them or anything. So you can hold it right here, and nothing won't happen to you. I've tried this. It's very good and secure position, and it locks to its place with a liner lock like the main blade. So you have to push to the right, come to the 90-degree position, and close it. There's the can opener, the standard can opener for all Victorinox knives, smallers and biggers like that one. And now, yes, of course, you have the Phillips screwdriver, which is one of the most useful tools on every multi-tool. Any multi-tool that has a screwdriver like this is a very value for price product. You know, this is my personal opinion. This is just me. It also has the reamer, or awl, like the Americans like to name it after. Yeah. This little guy can penetrate almost anything. Sorry about that. This is not a commercial for this beer, but it's just very easy. Okay, and we proceed to the Locksmith's special features, which first is the file, the two-side file, and the small on this small side the small saw. This is a very useful piece, and I believe that's probably the reason why they named it after Locksmith. And the wood saw, which is quite different from other Victorinox's knives and multi-tools. Okay, sorry about the interruption. So as I was saying, that is the Locksmith's wood saw, which has quite a powerful and aggressive pattern, okay, for cutting wood or plastic. So that's my review about the Victorinox Locksmith. Please leave your comments or your video responses or whatever. Thank you very much and have a good night.